Okay, here's the nightmare. You think everything's going nice until you go to the bathroom. And then you take out the toilet and you're like, holy shit. I mean, literally shit. And you see a hole there. Look at that, the floor's rotted. So this corner piece, so people that rent this place generally are sloppy showers. That's a problem today. People are very sloppy with showers. We might put that special curtain that you see at the Holiday Inns or the hotels. So this floor, you're gonna see another video because later tonight, I gotta go find a Sawzall. We're gonna be cutting this floor out and probably try to figure out how to fix this flange that broke off while we were taking the toilet out. It's gonna be fun. So this is the nightmare part of the job. We're not very happy about this, but we're gonna figure it out because we have an Airbnb coming in Friday. Yeah, Friday, and of course you know, we're trying to push this to the last minute. So here's our little nightmare. And you ever see that Jurassic movie where it starts off and he says, oh, everything's nice and fine, and just wait until you see the dinosaurs. Well, here we go. Now we're cutting the floor out. So we're gonna be putting in a 3/4 inch with Luan on top. We have to redo all the plumbing. We pretty much got it together. Right now we're gonna start working in this room. We do the plumbing. We got these holes that we just cut out, and I had to go get some plywood. So we're gonna fix all this, replumb it, and hopefully these pieces I bought for the new toilet are gonna work. You never know if you start putting it together. You know, I'm almost like they're not a plumber, and so we don't have a lot of tools. We had to go borrow this thing, a compressor. We had to go get a Sawzall. I didn't have one of those, and then we had to get some guns because now we're gonna have to nail up at this point, since we only have a few hours left, that we were going to take this whole cabinet out and put a whole new Luan floor in, Luan, and then redo the whole floor. But apparently we realized that this might turn into a whole nother project because we looked the way it was nailed to the wall and the way the plumbing was done in the walls. So sometimes you're just going to bite the bullet and not do it all because it ends up becoming a bigger job than you thought. Didn't buy an expensive toilet. This thing is just as good as any. The other toilet is this thing over here, and you know, you can't have these toilets anymore. I'll tell you why. We have to really start to conserve our water. That thing is almost like a 4-gallon flush. People, you know, want more water for flushing power, but you know what? It's not necessary. Today's toilets do a lot more with a lot less water. So we did caulk in the bathroom, and you know what we found out? Look at the little room here. The only problem here is there's not a whole lot of room between the toilet and the vanity. We try to get the shortest toilet, but today they make super toilets. The old 30-year-old toilet gave us 2.5 more inches. They don't make them anymore. So I did put down along here, just so you know, that is not wood. That is quarter round, it's plastic, a little more expensive. I caulked it with silicone before I put it up, and I caulked the corner because this was the part that rotted out. These corners always rot out in bathrooms. So you want to make them watertight, and we did that. Now the best thing to do is to put in a shower door, right? So we got the GFI in there, I changed that, and that's their little teeny cottage bathroom. This is not Pepper Pike, okay? So this is a cottage. So it's all ready to go, nice. We got a fan. Uh-oh, damn it. There's supposed to be a light globe on that. You know, sometimes things just slip through. Well, we don't have time for that one.